Most M&A deals don't fail because of bad modelling. They fail because of flawed strategy, misaligned incentives, and poor execution under pressure. This course reframes M&A as a value creation discipline, not a transaction checklist. Over 3 intensive days, participants work through the full deal lifecycle, from strategic rationale and valuation logic before spreadsheets to structuring, negotiation, funding shocks, separation, and integration. Using real cases and AI-driven simulations, participants are forced to make judgment calls with incomplete information, exactly as in real deals. By the end, they can confidently assess whether a transaction creates value, defend an investment case at board level, and walk away from bad deals with discipline.